Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about iron deficiency anemia. So, what is basically anemia? Anemia is deficiency of red blood cells. So, whenever there is deficiency of red blood cells, that is anemia. And what is iron deficiency anemia? So, whenever the anemia is or deficiency of red blood cell is because of deficiency of iron, that is called as iron deficiency anemia. So, let's start our topic with introduction. Iron deficiency anemia is a common type of anemia. It is caused by insufficient iron levels in the body, which leads to reduced production of hemoglobin. That is a protein in red blood cells that is responsible for carrying oxygen. Now let's talk about the causes of iron deficiency anemia. The first cause is inadequate iron intake. So that the reason of the cause may be because of poor diet that lacks iron-rich food, and that can cause deficiency of iron. As a consequence, it can cause iron deficiency anemia. So the next cause of it is blood loss. Blood loss may be because of heavy menstruation, GI bleeding, or gastrointestinal bleeding, or injuries. These all things can cause iron deficiency, and consequently can cause iron deficiency anemia. So the next cause of iron deficiency anemia is increased iron demand. Whenever there is increased iron demand, then the supply then causes iron deficiency. Basically, it happens in pregnancy or growth spurts in children most usually. So the next cause of iron deficiency anemia is absorption issue. When the diet is okay, has iron-rich food, but still if it is not absorbing, that can cause iron deficiency anemia. And condition like celiac disease and inflammatory bowel disease can cause decreased absorption or absorption issues of iron deficiency anemia, that can lead to anemia, that is iron deficiency anemia. So next we will talk about the symptoms of iron deficiency anemia. These are the fatigue and weakness. The second symptom of it is pale skin because of deficiency of red blood cells, that gives the skin the uh, less like the normal appearance, not the pale appearance. So whenever there's decrease of red blood cells, that causes a pale appearance of skin. So the next thing it causes is shortness of breath. How it causes the shortness of breath? When RBCs are less in the blood, or red blood cells are less in the blood, they have less oxygen carrying capacity. So whenever there is less oxygen carrying capacity, that can cause shortness of breath. So that's the reason iron deficiency anemia causes shortness of breath. The next symptom associated is dizziness or headache, that is also related to decreased oxygen in blood. Then it can also cause brittle nails, and hair loss and unusual carving are also associated with iron deficiency anemia, like eyes, tears, start, etc. Now let's talk about the diagnosis of iron deficiency anemia, or how we are gonna diagnose it. The first thing we do is complete blood count, or CBC, that is checking hemoglobin and red blood cell levels. Then we can also do serum ferritin test, that is measuring iron storage in the body. And then we can do iron studies, that is includes transferrin saturation and total iron binding capacity. Now let's talk about the treatment of iron deficiency anemia. The first thing we do is dietary changes, that is incorporating iron-rich food like spinach, red meat, lentils, and fortified cereals. The next we do is iron supplements, that is oral or intravenous iron supplements depending on severity. Then we can also address underlying cause, that is treating conditions like ulcers and heavy menstrual bleeding, because when we can address the cause, we can solve the problem. So let's talk about the prevention of iron deficiency anemia. So how can we prevent iron deficiency anemia? By eating a balanced diet that is rich in iron food, or iron-rich food basically, and pairing iron sources with vitamin C to enhance absorption, because vitamin C helps in the absorption of iron. And also avoiding excessive tea or coffee, which can inhibit iron absorption. So basically it is to increase the iron intake and decrease the thing that causes decreased absorption of iron, and increasing the thing that causes increased absorption of iron, like vitamin C. So this was all about iron deficiency anemia. If you like a video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching.